Do you know how to hide your friend list from the people that come to your Steam profile? If not, you have come to the right address. So it's actually very simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this using two accounts, so you will know exactly how it's done. And the first account is just basically an alt account, and the second one is my main account. So on the alt account, I will look for my main account, and as we can see, the friend list on my main account is public. Also keep in mind that my two accounts are not friends with each other, therefore I don't see any extra stuff on my main. And it will basically simulate how you will be able to see someone else's account, or that someone else your account. Now I'll jump on my main account and go to edit profile. Then we're going to navigate to privacy settings. Then we're going to go to the section called friend list, and we're going to set it to private. Now as you can see, you can also set it to friends only, but for the purpose of this tutorial we're going to set it to private. Now sometimes it takes a while for the changes to be saved, so do not panic if it doesn't save immediately, because it will save eventually. And lastly, if I refresh the alt account with which I'm viewing the main account profile, you can see that friend list disappears completely from the face of the earth, and this is basically what we want. So I hope that was helpful, and if you guys found this video helpful, as I said before, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.